Stack it high. Careful, careful.
Finally, the juice is collected in large stainless steel storage tanks.
The juice then undergoes pasteurization, where it is heated to a specific temperature to eliminate harmful bacteria.
Respondents. After heating, the orangejuice quickly moves through a cooling system. Stainless steel preserve system.
At this stage, the orange juice appears smooth, consistent, and ready for packaging. The texture looks perfectly blended with a rich and vibrant color.
A portion of the juice is sent to a quality control laboratory, where technicians test it for taste, color, and safety.
Easy now, center it up. Looks good, locking it in place.